Hi guys, we're gonna be going to Basilica de Valère, which is
the oldest. It has the oldest pipe organ in the world.
bus terminal. Alright guys, we're ready to go upstairs. Stairs after stairs after stairs. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't know if it is part of Switzerland. We're in the jungle.
In the jungle.
What is this, nako? Look at that view. So we're trying to go over there on top. And this is our trail. And we trained one day for this. Okay guys, I think we're almost there. Let's see. That's one of the castle up there. But there's nobody here. It's only us. And the trail is closed. What a view! Beautiful in here. Wow! We go over here, Nak. It's already here. Okay, guys. We're almost here. This breaks Louis' request. He wants to go here because he said this is one of the oldest church, Basilica, with a what? Oh yeah. That's why we're here. Where's Mama? Can you keep up, Mama? Basilica. And then the other one over there is a castle. Let's see if I can zoom. Whew. So almost like 30 minutes of hiking. Hike. Is it really worth it, Brex? Thousand. There's all the place of prayer. So maybe every Sunday we'll go here to attend a mass. Is that okay?
Oh my gosh, we're still there.
So some of the tourists are living the dream, like very comfortable stay. But here we are. What were we doing?
We're suffering.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's see among us. Oh my goodness. The view is breathtaking. This is nothing to Mommy. This is like just alimod dyan.